Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious curry beef. So for this you are going to be needing some bay leaf. I have a couple bay leaves here that I'll be using, and you are going to be needing half an onion, and I have some crushed garlic here I'll be using. You're going to be needing some pimento seeds, and of course some curry powder. If you don't know where to get your curry, you can definitely get some on Amazon. And I'm going to be using 2 carrots and 3 potatoes and 1 Roma tomato, and I have about 2 tablespoons of my Haitian spice. Again, I do have a video up on this channel showing you guys exactly how I make it. And I have 4 cups of water, but I do not plan on using all, but I probably might do. And I have some sour orange, and you'll be needing some olive oil. And I have about 2.5 pounds of beef here. This is a chuck tender roast that I went ahead and cut up, and you can see some lime in there. I'm going to wash it with some lime and rinse it under some hot water before I season it. And of course you are going to be needing some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I used in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. All right guys, I went ahead and washed my meat, and now I'm going to take my Epis or my Haitian seasoning and put it right in there. And I'm going to take a couple tablespoons of that curry powder and just sprinkle it right in there. Okay, and I'm going to take about a teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of black pepper, and I have my pimento seeds. And I am going to cut that tomato, which I already washed. I apologize, I thought my knife was right next to me. So I'm going to cut them just like that. And I totally forgot to grab my thyme, but I am going to put a couple sprigs of thyme in there as well. So don't forget to do that. Okay, I'm going to only use half of that tomato, and I'm going to put about a teaspoon of this sour orange. Again, I forgot to add the thyme, so don't forget to grab your thyme just to put it. And I can show you guys, I already went ahead and cut up the potatoes and the carrots. I just have them in some cold water. So now with our clean hands, we are going to mix this so we can allow it to marinate for 30 minutes the least, or a couple of hours, or even overnight if you have that time. Okay, so now let it marinate for a couple hours. If you don't have that time, you can use it right away if you wish. And now we can start the next process. Okay, I have my stove set to medium high, and I'm going to take about a tablespoon and a half of the curry powder. And I like to burn my curry before I make curry anything. So I'm going to burn the curry. Just make sure you are stirring it constantly so that it does not become too dark. Okay. All right guys, as you can see, the color has changed. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. So 2 to 3. And now I'm going to add that garlic. Okay. And I'm going to allow this to cook a little bit, but again, I don't want the garlic to burn. If you haven't, please go follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also on Twitter, and also come snap with us on Snapchat. All the link will be in the description box for you guys to check out. And I know many of you will ask, I purchased this pan from Walmart. Okay, I'm just letting the garlic cook, and I did went ahead and add the thyme to the beef, and I put in the onions as well. And now I can go ahead and put the beef. My husband loves curry beef, but I prefer curry chicken. But since he loves it so much, I thought I'd share that recipe with you guys, because maybe you guys might love it as much as he does. Okay, now you want to mix everything together. And I'm going to turn down my heat to about medium, and then cover it and let it cook for a good 10 minutes, but check on it just so nothing is burning. All right guys, it's getting hot in here, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes. I let it cook for like 20 minutes, okay? And I know that beef is not that tough. If I was making like curry goat, I would have definitely pressure cooked that, but I know the beef is not that tough. And I'm going to go in with my bay leaves and cover it again and let it cook until my potatoes and my meat are nice and tender. Now you want to go ahead and check to see if you need any extra salt, because remember that curry powder is a little salty as well. And I already taste one of my beef and I know that it's cooked nice and tender. And I just put that water into the same bowl I marinated my beef in. And every now and then you just want to go in and just put a little water and cover it back up and let it continue cooking until our potatoes and our carrots and everything else is nice and tender. Okay, this is finally done. I'm gonna go ahead and poke into some of the potatoes with you guys. As you can see, my fork went right through. And of course my carrots are done, and I already checked my meat, everything is done. I'm going to do a last taste. At this point, I already know that my salt is enough. And it tastes exactly how I want it to taste. But this will do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys try this. Like I said, my husband just loved this, so I hope you guys like it as much as he does. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.